that's not me, but I was liking the new me. Hello, so let's talk about a beautiful change in my life that I'm going to share you throughout a storytelling video. It was a time when I have to shift from my home place to a very different city, that is from Jaipur to Mumbai, because of my work thing. Like I was working with some company, so I've got a transfer to Mumbai, so I have to go there. And after going there, so let's talk about when I was living in Jaipur, what kind of person I was. So I was a very chill pill and a person who always wanted to go out and explore things and always wanted to go away from my home place. Like I want to live a lone life where I'll be doing every possible thing that a teenager wishes to do. Like we all had the same dream that we want to stay away from the parents and explore a new life, new people, new culture, travel and do whatever we feel like. That's what I feel like at that point, and I was that kind of person. But a big change in my life once I went there. I was a whole different person. Like you won't believe, I was not the person which I always wanted to be. I wanted to explore things and that sort of things. I just don't want to do any sort of thing. Like I went to Mumbai and I only been to one place, that is Juhu beach, and that's it. I never went to explore any single place. I mean, I don't know what kind of person I've been turning into, because that's not me, but I was liking the new me. That's the person I've become, being there homesick I was, and missing parents and a lot of things, my friends and whatnot. So that might be a reason. So I came back to Jaipur when my work was done. So after coming to Jaipur, I was a whole different person. You won't believe me. After 4 5 days or a week, I was like, I just want to stay in my room. I just don't want to explore things. And I accepted it as of a change in a life, because everyone goes through changes in their life, and that's the only thing of living a life, right? So I'll share one incident. There was one movie coming, so my friends wants me to join them, and I was like, no, let's just watch the movie at my home place, like within these four walls. I am so comfortable within these walls. Like I don't want to go anywhere. If I want to eat any food, I want that food at my place, like here in this room only. I don't want to go out and eat and grab meal and whatnot. No, I was not the same person at all. And and I don't know, I found a big comfort in this that I've never felt, and I just want to stay in this four comfort wall which I've made for myself. And the most important thing is, I was not able to convince my friend like, yes, I am like this. They start imagining me in a way like I am deprived or I'm depressed person in life. I'm being going through something which I'm not telling people, but it was not like that. I don't have anything to be depressed upon. Like it's that's what a good thing, but I don't have anything like that. But I want to ask from all of you people, like, are you feeling the same? I know we all are in the same group. We know that there are people around like me who are feeling the same. If I want to click picture, I want that picture in a dark exposure. I'm liking it in more if it's dark. So it's not like I am not a colorful person, but I found peace and I found comfort. I found freshness in this room, in this dark aesthetic. It's not like I don't want to go out at all. I do if the weather is gloomy and cloudy. All don't want to go out on a drive. I do, and I went, but it's not like I choose to go out every time. Which I just love whatever the vibe I am within, and I just want to turn off all the lights in my life, and it's a new comfort for me. It's not like I am hiding myself from people or whatever, but it's like I want to live like this only. If you are like me, please let me know, because I am not able to convince my friend. Like it's not a disease, it's a healing point. Like I heal within these walls. It's not a depression for me, or it's comfort for me. I'm not able to explain them. If you are feeling so, and if you know someone who are feeling or going through the same thing, please be lenient to them. Please try to understand your friend, your children, or whoever you know who is feeling the same as I am feeling. Please try to understand them. They are not going through anything harsh in their life. They just want to live the way they want to live. Let them live. If you are someone like me watching this video, please write a comment like, how Are you liking this life? Are you actually enjoying this? What are you feeling? I really want to know the feeling. If you want to mail me, do mail me. I will drop my mail, but I want to learn it more. And if you are watching this, I know you are liking the same comfort, same vibe, we relate, and I know this. Okay, so thank you if you watch this at full. Thank you so much. We'll come up with new episodes within these walls. So let's just give it an end, and thank you for watching.